What's going on, guys? It's your boy James, the Forex Prince, back at it again with another video. And listen, today's video is going to be an awesome video. Alright, I have engineered a complete smart money concept and Wyckoff trading system, but instead of just showing you my wins today, I am going to give you the raw source code for both my custom indicators, and that's just completely free to my subscribers. Alright, whether you're a complete beginner who's never placed a trade or a highly analytical professional who needs strict evidence-based rules before risking capital, this video is for you. I'm recording this directly from my phone, as y'all can see the layout, to show you exactly how we use this logic to strip away the emotion out of trading. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, if you can see, right, make sure you grasp the cursor. Alright, we use a two-part system, the top chart and the bottom chart. The top chart is a very sophisticated Bollinger Band strategy, and the bottom chart is a very sophisticated RSI TDI strategy. Alright, the secret to this system is a concept called confluence. A single piece of evidence isn't enough to take the trade, so we need multiple indicators telling us the exact same story. We only execute a trade when all four of our signals agree at the exact same time. Alright, so let's look at the four pieces of evidence. Alright, so first one here, let's back it up a trade a little bit. Price exited the bands down here, and you saw the candles getting smaller and creating wicks, and then before we got the color and where the signal box is, triangle, we got the indication to get into this trade. So price exhausted itself out of the band before it did this. Same thing up here. So if I was to, give me a second, drag that down just a little bit, and now I got my cursor, you see price exhausted itself out the band, but it understood that this was a fake out, and it really came out and it created a little doji, threw us the signal, and then boom, it held all of this down because these are all fake outs, and you clearly see it didn't break the 50 orange line here, so that lets you know that you could have just got into more selling positions and then rocked it all the way down. Alright, so that's the top chart. Down at the bottom chart, you can see that we got a cross, a green above red, right around the signal when the bar was fired. And then if you look down here on the MACD line, it's green also. That's two pieces of the evidence right there. The third piece is, did the signal actually fire on this point? And it did. So we got price exhausting out of itself. We also got price, the color of the candles, they're green, they're red, and you're following the trend and you're following the conditions. Then we got the TDI cross, then we got the MACD trend color. And if we didn't have just four, look at five will be down here on this little chart. It's telling you right now price is above the 76 on the RSI. The trend slope is at a 67. So we got a bull market, momentum is there, the cross is stable, and the overall bias for the 1 minute and 5 minutes should be buying. Alright, so that's the top and the bottom chart. Alright, the bottom chart is a oscillator that is to hear and look for momentum behind the scenes. So when this is foggy or this is foggy, one of the other is clear, and it's going to give you a clear picture. You just have to match up all four signs. The price exhausts itself, the color of the candles change, the TDI cross, the MACD approve, did the dashboard tell us ahead of time or keep us in the loop. Just gotta have that as your five evidence, and you enter the trade. So now that we covered over both top and bottom chart, and we know that the strategy is based on a reversal strategy with price exhausting itself out of either the bottom green band or the top red band on either chart, top or bottom. Alright, your goal is to try to get exhaustion as close as you can to those lines or beyond those lines. Alright, so now that we got all that, we know exactly what the signals do and how they do them. Let me show you how to turn this into a automatic trading system. Alright, first thing you want to do, because we're on mobile, I'm doing this exactly from my phone, you want to look down, you want to see the clock, right? The clock is going to let you tap it. All you gotta do is go in here, hit create alert, drop your keyboard, scroll down, change the condition from price to I have Oracle for the Bollinger Band strategy, I have Fate for the RSI strategy. So right now we're going to do I have Oracle, any alert function. You can do buy if market's in buying. Like right now we look for a sell, so we look for the sell. You add a condition, whether it's coming to your phone or whether it's going to your email or whether it's going to a group or a family members. You could do that here. It already generates a message in here, so this message is auto generated from the indicator reading the dashboard's knowledge and taking it and putting it on. Now I would still do what you normally do if you're not a trader, but if you aren't, if you're complete beginners, I would definitely stick to this because this is more safer than anything. You hit apply and then boom, that'd be about it. It'll take you back to this screen and then we would hit create. Now for the TDI, you do the same thing. So I have fate, that's the RSI indicator. All you commoners do, TDI buy. Market is buying. Right now we're looking for a sell. TDI sell. Alert conditions, same thing. Phone, email, group of family members. You can have it come, and same thing here. Inside the message box, it already got stuff. So when you get the alert, it's going to tell you exactly what these messages mean, and in clearer English, and you'll be able to understand what to do when you look at these signals when they come to your phone. All right, so that's just to do everything to get the notifications sent to you. Now, in order for you to get the notifications, you do need a basic TradingView Essentials plan. So I put my partnership discount link in the description below, so you don't have to overpay. It's definitely a better buy to get it through someone than to get it on your own, because they charge different prices. And this is not nothing that's never known, but you know, it's just a process of, you know, if you get sponsored or not. So if you will allow me to be your sponsor, check the link in the description and I'll help you save some money on your TradingView basic TradingView Essentials plan. All right, so where all this is going to go down, I keep the raw script code for both of these locked indicators inside of a secure document on my vault in my private Discord. I'm going to give it to you free right now. All you have to do is just hit the subscribe button on this video, click the link in the link tree description and just join the Discord and drop a screenshot in the verification channel proving that you're subscribed. My team will instantly unlock the code for you, and then you just copy the code, you know, paste it right into your app, and then boom, fund it. So like I said, it's really that simple. You really just waiting. See, we got the sell and just letting it play out. And I'm showing you this on a 1 minute time frame. Essentially this works on any time frame, but you really have to have a strategy from top-down analysis for this. Don't just think that this is going to produce money for you. You have to know at least what you're looking at and try to understand that first before you place trades. But definitely start with demo accounts, prove to yourself that you can do it, and then definitely go ahead. So like I said, hit subscribe on this video, check the link in the description, make sure you join the Discord group and prove that you are a loyal subscriber, and boom, you got this system in your hands. So come on guys, I see you on the trading floor.